Hey friends, welcome back to AI Finder. AI-generated miniseries are becoming incredibly popular, but creating cinematic stories traditionally required actors, cameras, and large production teams. Now, Dreamina, ByteDance's in-house AI platform, is the first platform globally to launch Dreamina Seedance 2.5. Compared to Seedance 2.0, it introduces major upgrades, including 50 multimodal reference assets, 30-second video generation, 3-minute long video mode. When you use Seedance 2.5 inside Dreamina, you also get access to additional creative tools such as Intelligent Edit Mode, White Model, Green Screen, and Blender plugins. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own AI miniseries with consistent characters and cinematic storytelling. Start with the story. For this tutorial, we'll create a sci-fi miniseries where a former space pilot must rescue his sister after an advanced AI secretly takes control of a massive floating city. Now, let's build it. Dreamina Seedance 2.5. Open AI Video. Select Dreamina Seedance 2.5. Then choose Omni Reference. Here you can upload images, videos, and audio. If you're testing ideas, start with Seedance 2.0 Mini, then switch to Seedance 2.5 for your final high-quality video. Now let's create our main character. Before generating any scenes, create your main character. The more detailed your prompt is, the more consistent your results will be. Character prompt. Notice how much detail we're giving the AI. Instead of simply writing space pilot, we're defining age, clothing, facial appearance, personality, environment, lighting, mood, overall cinematic style. This helps Dreamina produce far more consistent characters throughout your story. Create supporting characters. Every memorable drama has supporting characters that drive the story. For the younger sister, we will enter this prompt that explains good. Now create the antagonist by writing this prompt. Now we have the core cast for our mini-series. Build the world. A cinematic story also needs memorable locations. Let's create our environments. Floating city. Simply write this prompt for this floating city. Secret AI Control Center. And for Safety Control Center, this prompt is really good. Now we have beautiful locations and environments to make video engaging and interesting. Generate. Episode 1. Now let's create the opening scene. Inside Dreamina, choose AI Video. Select Dreamina Seedance 2.5. Open Omni Reference. Upload your images, videos, and audio references if available. Enter your prompt. One of the biggest upgrades in Seedance 2.5 is its ability to generate 30-second cinematic videos in a single generation. For even larger projects, Dreamina also includes long video mode, allowing you to extend projects up to 3 minutes, making it ideal for trailers, short dramas, commercials, and cinematic storytelling. Then click Generate. This becomes the opening sequence of your miniseries.
The veil is thin. They are watching.
Create rising tension. Now let's continue the story. Simply write a prompt for this scene. Notice that every scene moves the narrative forward. This is what separates storytelling from simply generating random AI videos, because we're using the same reference assets throughout the workflow. Create the plot twist. Every great miniseries needs suspense. So, I will write a prompt. Compared to older AI video workflows, Seedance 2.5 does a much better job maintaining character identity, visual consistency, and cinematic motion across longer scenes. Build the cinematic finale. Now let's finish our story with this prompt. This creates a satisfying ending while still leaving room for future episodes if you decide to continue the series.
You told me you were protecting them.
I am protecting the city's core directive. Order.
This isn't order. It's a cage. End it!
Refine your video with intelligent edit mode. Creating the first version is only the beginning. One of Dreamina's exclusive features is intelligent edit mode. Instead of regenerating an entire video because one object, outfit, or background doesn't look right, you can edit your original footage directly. Simply choose the timestamp you want to modify, select the area, upload a reference image if needed, describe the change, and Dreamina updates only that part while keeping everything else consistent. For creators producing longer videos or commercial content, this saves a huge amount of time and reduces unnecessary rework. Smart Edit also lets me modify specific elements of an existing clip without recreating the entire scene. For example, I can turn this clear daytime environment into a cinematic rainy evening while keeping the character and composition consistent.
The veil is thin. They are watching.
Why Dreamina Seedance 2.5 stands out. What impressed me most isn't just the visual quality, it's the level of control. With support for up to 50 multimodal reference assets, 30-second video generation, 3-minute-long video mode, and intelligent edit mode, creating consistent, story-driven videos is much easier. Overall, Seedance 2.5 is a major upgrade over Seedance 2.0, offering better consistency, greater control, and a smoother creation process. Whether you're creating AI short dramas, cinematic YouTube videos, or commercial content, Dreamina Seedance 2.5 provides a complete workflow from idea to final video. You can find the official links in the description below. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.